Recently, I had to quickly update my resume for a job application. I only had the PDF version saved on my laptop and I didn't have the original Word file. I tried converting it and tried random online tools, but either the formatting broke or it asked me to pay, or worse, my data didn't feel secure. That's when I found a simple solution. Let me show you how you can edit your PDF resume directly like a pro in just a few seconds. First, go ahead and install and open Systweak PDF editor on your Windows PC. I have added the download link in the description so you can download from there. Once you open the software, you will see a clean dashboard. Now click on Open PDF and select your resume file. In a few seconds, your resume will load on the screen exactly as it looks. Now look at the top menu and click on Edit tab. As soon as you do that, you will notice different editing options appear. From here, click on Edit Content. Here is where the magic happens. Move your cursor anywhere on the text. Let's say your work experience section. Just click on it and you will see a box appear around the text. Now you can directly start typing just like you would in a Word document. For example, if you want to update your latest job role, just click, delete the old text and type the new one. No formatting breaks, no alignment issues, it stays exactly in place. Now if you want to add new text, maybe a new skill or certification, just click on Add Text. Then click anywhere on the PDF where you want it. A text box will instantly appear. Start typing and you can drag it anywhere to position it perfectly. It looks completely natural, like it was always there. You are not limited to just typing. Click on the text and you will also see options to change the font size, style, color and alignment so everything matches your resume perfectly. Now want to update your profile picture? Super easy. Click on Insert Image, choose your new photo and place it anywhere on the resume. You can resize and adjust it until it fits just right. Take a moment to review everything. Scroll through your resume and make sure all updates look clean and professional. Once you are happy with it, just click on Save and that's it. Your updated resume is ready to send, and the best part, everything stays perfectly aligned and professional just like your original file. No weird formatting issues at all. What I like the most is that it saves a lot of time and you don't need to recreate your entire resume from scratch. So that was it. Have you ever faced this problem while editing your resume? Tell me in the comments. I would love to know your experience. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such useful tips.